Do you know what sizes I have taken for this container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is the 20 feet 3 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the width is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, unit on the front wall, and on the left side we have dining counter with 2 chairs. On the right side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, study table with chair and large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. If we go inside, so on the left side we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and 2 windows for ventilation and light purpose. On the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the right side of the house we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, study table with chair and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.